Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 85 Goodway Drive in Rochester.
This is an amazing business opportunity, including spectacular land, a building, and a cash cow business.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This quality-built commercial building has over 10,000 square feet. The building features a showroom, office space, 3 storage bays with 5 13.5-foot overhead doors and 16-foot ceilings. You feel like royalty in any of Prestige Limousine's luxury vehicles. This commercial site and building is already zoned automotive, including repair, and features a 28,600-pound lift to accommodate vehicles up to 35 feet in length.
Prestige Limousine has had spectacular revenue growth, with increased bookings for next year. This is a testament to the many famous people that were serviced by Prestige Limousine. This 1.3-acre commercial site has room for parking 50-plus cars and is at the end of a cul-de-sac of Goodway Drive. What a prime business location! This is the best location. In real estate, it is known the phrase, location, location, location. This prime business location is in the town of Henrietta, conveniently located nearby Route 590, Route 390, and Route 490. With easy access to Route 90, the thruway, with a short distance to the Rochester Airport, and easy access to all of Western New York.
Could you imagine investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 85 Goodway Drive in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Cheers to doing business here!